The teacher teaches the disciple how to listen to teachings properly. Do not wear a hat, do not wear shoes, avoid 3 defects and 6 stains, and listen respectfully. Then the teacher teaches the disciple how to practice, for instance, beginning with preliminary practice instead of the main practice. Starting with preliminary practice is best because when a disciple hears that the main practice is supreme and perfect, due to lack of knowledge he will want to start from the main practice right away. The teacher must teach him the sequence of practice. The teacher should also teach the disciple how to give up negative actions and perform positive ones, how to get rid of the 10 non-virtuous actions, and how to practice bodhicitta, among other subjects. The teacher should give these instructions one by one. Only in this way will following a teacher bring positive and effective results for the student.